Alright, Rick Tofin, Kevin here, be doing a review on the, wow, there's a lot of stuff on this bed. Okay, famas tactical version. I bought this from Sports Authority. Okay, here's your hop-up system right here. Put that back and forth. But I don't really care about that, I always keep it on normal. Okay, features 40 round magazine. Okay. Screw on barrel right here. I use a silencer, but whatever. Okay. Got this piece right here. Fits on just like that. But you have to screw it in though, and I lost the screws, so whatever. I added this piece in the box. It's a red dot scope. It fits right on the gun, just like that. Alright. Flashlight, it goes right here on the bottom of the gun. Magazine, like I said, 40 rounds. This gun shoots between 400 and 380 FPS. I'm not going to take this gun out in the backyard and shoot it because it's just too loud. And the dogs and whatever are fucking annoying. Okay. Put it in. Cock back. Okay. So yeah, there's the safety switch right here. Bring it back and forward just like that. Overall, it's a pretty accurate gun. I am going to be doing a video of this gun, me actually using on a real soft airfield over here in Harwood, Texas. So yeah, it's pretty damn decent. It's almost like a miniature sniper rifle because of the FPS, or if you're using high-grade BBs. Your sling ports are right up here. And so yeah, that's basically it for the famas.